programs, programming some websites, HTML5, staying up all night. I live for this computer rage, and when I can't think, I just take another sip from an energy drink, and then I reboot. I'm plugged in, buying domains. I'm like a spider on the web, time to come up with names. So many ideas buzzing around my head like a hornet's nest. It's how it's gotta be. I'ma earn my stripes for nothing less than hard dedication. Raise the bar, innovation. When I fall, the web's my safety net. I'm relentless when endeavoring to set up more service. Work ethic is accepting nothing less than just perfect. My reward is the sort I can eat up. 5-minute break, time to order some pizza. Yeah. And then it's back to the programs and talking TV. No, man, I'm going all night. Grind without a half pipe, computers on my mind. 0101, I'm working on Java. The results are hot as lava. Feeling pleased till I see unfolding disaster. The program's not working, I need to debug. Domain name's been purchased, I need a new one. Then all of a sudden, the power goes out. But I'm too dedicated, I ain't allowing that now. It was bad, but I'm back.